Hello everyone, welcome back to Rudra Yogam. In this video, we are going to look into an advanced balancing pose in yoga called Padma Parvatasana, also known as Gorakshasana or the knee balance pose. We will see exactly how to perform it, and at the end of this video, you will know the secrets to mastering your balance in this posture. First, a very important thing to get this pose, you must be able to perform Padmasana correctly. Only if your Padmasana is stable, you will be able to achieve this knee balance. If you don't know how to do Padmasana correctly, don't worry. I have already made a detailed tutorial on it. I have pinned that video in the cards above and in the comment section below. Watch that video first to learn Padmasana step by step. Alright, once you are in Padmasana, let's look at how to place your knees on the mat. If you observe your knee structure, you will find a triangle like spot right at the base of the joint. That specific triangular area is exactly what needs to be placed flat on the yoga mat. This is what creates a strong, solid foundation for your balance. Next comes the most crucial part, alignment. When you lift yourself up into the balance, if viewed from the side, your knees, hips, and shoulders must be in one straight vertical line. If there is even a slight misalignment here, you will not be able to maintain your balance in this pose and you will fall. So, focus on keeping your body straightly in one line. A common mistake many practitioners make is placing their hands directly in front of them when trying to lift up. If you do this, your alignment will be wrong. Instead, when starting, do not place your hands in front. Place your hands to one side. This approach will help you find your initial balance much more easily. Now, the question everyone asks, I can lift up, but I cannot hold it. I keep falling forward and backward. How do I control it? There is a brilliant technique for this. You need to actively use your knees and feet to micro adjust and control the balance. If you feel like you are losing balance and falling forward, apply slight pressure on the front of your knees. If you feel like you are falling backward, slightly release that pressure from the knees. The exact same movement applies to your feet as well. When falling forward, apply pressure on this specific part of your feet. When falling backward, release the pressure. If you continuously follow this push and release movement with your knees and feet, you will easily locate your center of the balance. Now, here is the ultimate secret technique to start this pose properly. When you begin, never place both hands directly in front of you. First, raise one hand up in the air, place the other hand close to your knee, balancing on your fingertips for support. At this point, your body will naturally be in a slight lateral bend. From there, slowly try to straighten your torso upward. As you straighten up, simultaneously apply the knee and feet pressure movements I mentioned earlier to lock your control. If you want more height when you start, you can use the block support under your fingers. That's it. This is the complete balancing technique for this pose. If you closely follow these specific steps, you can achieve this advanced posture very easily. Now, a very important warning. Do not practice or try this pose for more than 5 minutes a day. If you overdo it, the continuous pressure can trigger severe knee pain and ankle pain. So, after you practice every time, relax your knees and ankle joint properly. Another question I frequently get is how many days will take to master this balance? To be honest, the time duration to find this balance varies from person to person. But here is the trick. Once you figure out how to find that balance, you can master this pose in just 2 days. However, unlocking that secret is the real journey. To find that balance point, it might take you 2 days or it might take you 2 years. In fact, I know people who have been practicing yoga for 20 years and still have not been able to find the right balance for this specific pose. So don't worry about the timeline. Keep practice continuously using the knee and feet pressure secrets I shared today. Keep practicing with this secret and you will eventually find your balance point. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it to your fellow yogis, and don't forget to subscribe to our Rudra Yogam channel. Thank you.